大家好, hello and welcome. Give me just 10 days. You won't just learn Mandarin. You will train your ears, your mouth, your confidence to sound more natural and clear. And there's no more tone guessing, no more awkward pronunciation, because we are building real speaking control, step by step, sound by sound. And there's no memorization today, just understanding how everything fits together. Mandarin Chinese is built from syllables. Each syllable consists of 3 parts: initial, final, and the tones. For example, the word ni. Initial is n, ne. Final, i, third tone. Ne, i, ni, ni, which means you. Another example, 中, zhe, ong, first tone. 中 means in the middle or center. Now these are not just random letters putting in together. Chinese Mandarin is a structural sound. Now here's something very important. With the same initial and final but different tone has a completely different meaning. For example, I take example M-A, ma, 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 ma. First tone, ma means mother, ma. Second tone, ma, ma, numbness or to be numb. Third tone, ma, ma, horse. Fourth tone, ma, ma means to scold, to insult. So different tones, but same pronunciation has a completely different meaning. Now, to help Chinese learners, Chinese is using something called Pinyin. It's a system that uses Roman alphabet letters, but it has a completely different pronunciation to English. For example, 吃 is not 吃, 中 is not 中, 七 is not 七. So these are totally separate sound systems. We'll start with the basic vowel sound, and these are the core building blocks of Mandarin. I'll read the vowels to you. First one, a, e, I, O, U, Ü. You can see the 2 dots on top of U. It's pronounced as Ü. How do we do that? We just pronounce I as in tree, I. Just round your lips. I, Ü, Ü. The common vowels found in Chinese are I, A, ow, o, and the nasal ending an, ung, en, ong. Some of the words that you might find in real life, which is pretty commonly used: 好, 上, 中, 风. Next one, the initial consonants. These are grouped by how their mouth is positioned or used. The first group, b, p, m, f. Any examples? Ba, pa, ma, fa. Next group, d, t, n, l. For example, di, ti, ni, li. Next group, g, k, h. Example, gao, cow, how. Next group, JQX. This is rather difficult for beginners. Ji, qi, si. The examples are ji, qi, si. The next group, ZH, CH, SH, and R. These are the retroflex sound. The tongue is a bit curved at the back. 知 ch 是 r. For example, 中 吃 吃 是 and 日. Next group is similar but without the H. 滋 c 丝. Examples: 早 草 扫. Now you combine everything: the initial, the finals, and the tones. It becomes a word. For example, ma a ma ma, ne i ni ni, he ao hao hao, zhe ong zhong zhong, ge wo guo guo. Now we can put these separate characters and combine them together. For example, 中 and 国 become 中国. That is China. Before we finish this, do keep in mind that Mandarin are not just random sounds that put together. It is a structural sound system. Once you understand the pinyin, everything will become clear, becomes much easier. And the next lesson will train your mouth, will train your ears, you master the tone. And the tone is the most important part in Mandarin pronunciation. And that is the foundation of Mandarin sounds. Take your time to review the pinyin groups because all the pronunciation, all the sounds are built from this. I'll see you in lesson 2.